Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Korean. Today we'll try to unbox the MI power bank, which is a 30,000 mAh power bank, friends. And finally it arrived in my studio, so which I did order a couple of days back in the Flipkart, as you can see. And this is my first time I'm using the 30,000 mAh power bank, and I'm really excited. So what will be the performance of this power bank? And I did order the power bank for about 2,299, as you can see, friends. So let me try to do the unboxing in my style, and let's get started with this unboxing process. And in case if you're having any other queries regarding this MI power bank, so definitely make sure to comment below. So for the next few days I'll try to test in depth the power bank performance. Mainly I'll try to see so what are the performance results and how much time it takes to complete charge, and all those details I'll try to definitely do a review. And it is a box production, as you can see, friends. So which feels kind of really heavy for me. So definitely I can feel that kind of weight is going on in this box, as you can see, friends, which is a MI power bank 30,000 and 18-watt fast charging capability. I wish they could have included slightly more fast charging, maybe 33-watt fast charging, so which should be really good for the nowadays smartphones, because they are launching all the phones with the 33-watt fast charging, so that will be very good. Let me try to unbox this one as well, and let's see what's inside the box we got here and what type of standards they provided with this box. And yes, friends, this feels kind of really heavy for me at the moment. I do have a couple of other power banks with me, and this is an ambient power bank which I got, which has a 27,000 mAh power bank capacity, and I'll try to do the comparison as well, friends, even with those kind of power banks which I'm having in my channel. Let me try to quickly unbox, and let's see the performance levels of this phone and what are the things we got in the box. And it is the power bank itself which feels kind of really heavy, friends, for me. So let me try to take out this wrapping. As you can see, this is a power bank which we got, and which is really solid build, so which I particularly like. The one thing about this power bank which I like is about the base. So base is really wide enough, friends, so it won't tilt anytime, as you can see. Whereas the ambient power bank, the base is not so soft and flat. Sometimes there are chances that it might tilt, but this is really good. And we do have this kind of warranty in the box as well, some kind of user manual, I think. And what are the things in the box? User manual, and is a power bank. And let's see what will they include, any kind of cable or not. I think there's some kind of cable is going on. Let me see the size of the cable. That is what I'm really curious. So this is a very small size cable they included, friends, and it is the final product for the power bank, which is a MI 30,000 mAh power bank. Finally, this is the product, as you can see. And let me try to check the weight of this product first. So it is a small weighing machine which is available, and the weight is about 650 grams, as you can see, 652 grams. You can clearly see, friends. So this is more than half kg you're holding in your one hand, as you can see. And let's see how much power we got out of the box. I think there is not much power left out of the box. There is only one point at this moment. So thank you, friends, for watching this video, and make sure to check the links in description for more videos. Definitely I'll do my testing and comparison with other power banks as much as possible. So see you in the next video, friends, and I'm really interested to test this maximum capabilities in this power bank, how much time it will take to charge and how much battery backup we can expect. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.